State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Adams County
Yes!
in south central Pennsylvania, western York County in south central
Today, severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties and
A severe thunderstorm was located over New Hampshire National Weather Service and State College
has issued a
60 miles per hour
warning
winds
for
and quarter-sized hail.
in south central Pennsylvania, western York County, in south central
Hail damage to
Pennsylvania.
vehicles is expected
Until 3:30 p.m.
Winds
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties.
thunderstorm will be near Hampton around
3:42 p.m. The National Weather Service and Station Giant severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Adams County, in south central Pennsylvania, western York County, in south central Pennsylvania.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm will be near Hampton around Harrisburg, Rapids down, New Salem, and
Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Interstate 83
Expect wind damage to roofs.
Michael's down, over and Shenandoah for 320 on the lowest floor of the building. The thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: Adams and York.
Manchester around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Harrisburg, Thunderstorm, York Airport, and Spring Grove around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Whitehall and Shiloh around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And Manchester around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include York Haven, Harrisburg, Abbottstown, New Salem, and Lewisberry. This includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 15 to 34. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
Chris James, afternoon.